just got back from Iceland and today we're unboxing the iPhone 15 Pro Max in blue and some fancy accessories from Nomad. I can't wait. Let's look at this first. Ooh, oh my god, this is so pretty. This is the one with the 5x zoom camera. I can't wait to test it out. This is such a beauty. Oh my god, and it's so much lighter. Like the moment I started carrying this, I could tell this is way lighter than this. When I'm carrying out the 14 Pro Max, it's fine on its own, but when I slap on a case, it just gets so heavy. But this, damn, I think it would just make my setup so much lighter. And this titanium blue is so beautiful. Ooh. Edges here are all titanium and it doesn't have the glass glossy finish, so you wouldn't get a lot of fingerprints like the one I have with my 14 Pro Max. We're gonna open it. Oh, turning it on. My dad actually has the natural titanium color, and compared to that, I know it's a popular color, I know, but this, it just feels so right. And of course, now we have USB C. The USB C is slightly thicker than the Lightning port. Another design change is this action button. With one click, you can customize this button to open any kind of app. There's so many customizations. I cannot wait to use this and bring this out with me. Let's see what else is in the box. SIM card ejector, the sticker, the braided USB-C to USB-C cable, because now everything is USB-C. Welcome Apple, you are late to the game, but it's better late than never. And I think by now we just kind of got used to the fact that the box won't come with power adapters anymore, and that's okay. I don't really use it because I already have my very own GAN chargers. Okay, while this is being set up, let's see what Nomad has in store for us in this mystery box. I'm hoping for some USB-C accessories. I mean, I already do have some, but I think I need more. Ooh! Our friend from Nomad sent us this box. They're not paying me to say anything. They just wanted to hook me up with the latest accessories. Holy moly. Can't wait to check them out. 1, 2, 3 beautiful cases. 3 sports band for the new Apple Watch. And yes, I will be unboxing that. The link is up here. We have 2 USB-C cables. And we have the base one Max. 3-in-1 MagSafe charger. And it's in white. God, this is beautiful. Okay, and yes, we are gonna do our yearly iPhone case or no case video. Stay tuned, subscribe for that. Oh, look at this white. This is a sport case, and it writes here proudly carbon neutral. It's a slim design with MagSafe and 8 feet drop protection, premium scratch resistant finish, which is great because I need it to be super rugged for my climb, for my hikes. And the buttons are tactile anodized aluminum buttons with TPU bumper. I think I feel very safe with the new 15 Pro Max sitting in this. Look at how it looks. Oh god, this is beautiful. Okay, next. This is the rugged case. Offers 15 feet drop protection, groove sides that allow for secure grip, MagSafe charging compatible, which I feel like should be the standard for all iPhone cases. I have had other third-party brands that don't have MagSafe compatible cases, and you just can't use all the MagSafe accessories, and that sucks. And this orange is so hot. I love it. Ooh, this could be my favorite case. Oh my god, the orange accent is amazing. Like, orange stands out. I love it. Okay, we're gonna put this on. Oh my god, I think I'll feel so safe with my iPhone in this case. And finally, the modern leather case. The English tan color is a full-grain, sustainably sourced leather, 8 feet drop protection. I just love all the specs about drop protection because I drop my phone pretty often. Apple has stopped selling leather products, so if you want to get your hands on the leather cases, you know where to go. I'll leave a link below. I really like this leather color. It's so subtle, and I prefer this over the typical darker shade of brown. I feel like this is my #1 favorite out of all 3. I'm actually traveling to Hong Kong in a couple of days, and I'm definitely bringing this along to get some shots and to keep my iPhone 15 Pro Max protected. Next, we have a couple of other USB-C accessories. Ooh, this is the USB-C to USB-C cable. I've been using these cables for the past 2 years for traveling, for daily use, and I have to say this is one of the most rugged case I've ever used. It's made of Kevlar material, which is one of the strongest, and it has never failed on me. If you're someone who cares a lot about protecting your expensive gear when you're charging it, and you want something rugged, strong, I would recommend these cables, and I'll leave links below. Go check them out. You won't regret it. Okay, next we have universal USB-C cable, 0.3 meters. So this is a shorter cable. It's USB-C to USB-C, and then you can convert it to USB-C to USB-A, and you can also convert this end to micro USB. Oh, this supports up to 100 watts of power transfer as well. Next, we have the base one Max. Okay, so this is a 15 watts MagSafe charger, a 3-in-1 charger, wireless charger. As much as I love my Kevlar cables, I feel like I don't use them as much at home because I've just been always using wireless chargers like this. Like, the reason why I love Nomad is all this stuff are quality stuff. This is so freaking heavy. Oh my god, the white is awesome. I love how minimal this is. And of course, we have Kevlar cables. There isn't anything else. Oh my god, this is beautiful. This is so sleek. I'll put links below to everything so you can check it out if you're interested. So you put your AirPods here, your Apple Watch here, and of course the new iPhone 15 Pro Max here. And there you go, it's done. But of course this is not travel friendly because it's just so heavy. It's just gonna be sitting on my desk. Next, we have the sports band for the Apple Watch. Oh, so beautiful. I like this. I love this color so much. I feel like I'm falling in love with green cases, sports band, watch bands. And oh, the white is amazing. So we have ash green, marine blue, and the white. These are the new colors for the sport band range. They feel so minimal, and it feels like they're begging me to bring them on all my adventures. They feel so comfortable and very, very lightweight. I feel like I can get rugged with them, and they just will hold up very, very well. Oof, this is nice. Oh, the blue is also really good. I guess it's great that Nomad sent me so many colors so I can pick and choose my favorite for different events. Oh, the white is beautiful. I've never owned a white sports band. Really nice. I love it. Now that it's all set up and all unboxed, I'm gonna just do a quick little test on the camera because that's the thing I'm looking forward to the most. Let's see this. 0.5, 1 times, 2 times, and 5 times. Oof. Oh my god. It gets a little bit grainy. I don't think it's as sharp as the 1-time zoom. Let's try again. The 0.5, the 1 times, and the 2 times, and the 5-time zoom. Wow. It's not as sharp as the white camera, but the white camera is just always the best. The white camera, you see, is so much sharper. Oh, it's still a little bit grainy. This is such a nice macro shot. You can see how dry my fingers are. I'm excited to bring this on my next trip to test out how good the cameras are, so stay tuned for that. I'll be doing a proper review of this, seeing how good the camera is, and if these can beat my Sony. I don't think so, but would you like to see a comparison? So yep, that's it for now. Comment below if you have any questions about this. Like and subscribe, it really does help me make more videos like this. Take care, stay maintained, Cherry. I'll see you in the next one.